Okay guys, we're here, we're checking some lights out. So we have two lights in the pool. We got one right here, and we got one in the deep end, and they both run off of the same circuit. And these lights have been, they're changed out 2 years ago. You can see the conduit and the new J boxes put in. So there's a new J box here for this light. Okay, let's check the switch out. Okay, so this being a older commercial pool, so we have here a GFCI breaker. So I'm just checking this out. So this button got tested out. Flip it and reset it. Okay, that's working. Right here, without power, normally doesn't reset. So let's go up here. So our light switch is on. So let's check out the power. So this should be 115 volt or 120 volt. So we're going to test here, the two here and here. So I got 121 volt, 126. Okay, now let's get up here. If you look in there, you have like a little black wheel. So if you don't have a voltmeter handy, see that black wheel spinning, you're good. So let's go check the voltage at the J box. Okay guys, here's the steps that we do to check out the light. First, we go to the breaker to check to see if the breaker's on. Next is to the GFCI, just make sure the GFCI has not tripped. We'll check out the switch. So whether it be a timer or a light switch, we want to make sure the switch is working. Then next we go to the J box to make sure that there's power to the J box. Sometimes the line underground gets broken, and ultimately once we check the J box, then we know that the light bulb is out, or it could be a bad light assembly. So that is the sequence that we follow. Okay. So we got our white wire and our black wire. So let's check them out. So we got 146. So we're good here. So we know it's the bulb. Okay, we're gonna go in the water, and we're gonna go ahead and take out the pilot screw. Note the position of the clamp bolt, nut and bolt, and where the cord is at. So your pilot screw is here, the cord is on the bottom, and the pilot screw is on the side. So that's where you want to put it back so you don't have any problem putting it back in the niche. So this goes on like this. goes on that lip. So this lip here goes on this lip here, like so. So see this black spot right here. Shot, we test everything. It's also black inside there. Normally it's clear, like a clear maple color. When you put your bulb in here, I'm gonna always test that first. Okay, let's go test it out before we button it up. It's working, so we can go ahead and button it up. The light gasket. Note, some of these gaskets, they have arrows on them to point which way they go. So look for an arrow. All the gaskets are different. This is a Pentair Amerilite gasket, and this is the JJ&E gasket. When you go to the parts store, they're going to tell you it needs this. As you can see, this gasket is a lot thicker than this one. As of the time of this video, they do not have this gasket. So what we're going to have to do, use some silicone. I know the pattern here. So you have the pilot screw this way. You want to have the light pattern going down. That way it looks like it's factory. Okay. Let's put this back together. Okay, we're going to use our dog bowl that we took from the dog. I'm going to flip this over. Making sure it's on there, so we got it all the way around good.